Adding a prototype to your Behance project allows you to showcase your design interactions effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and signing into your account. Create a new project. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Project. This opens the project editor. Prepare your prototype. Ensure your prototype is ready. If you're using design tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or InVision, you can typically share a link directly from these applications. Add the cover image. Upload a cover image that visually represents your project. This helps attract viewers' attention. Insert your prototype link. In the project editor, look for the option to add content. You can either upload static images or use the embed option to insert your prototype link. If you're using Figma, for example, copy the prototype link and paste it into the embed code section. Add project details. Include the project title, description, and relevant text to provide context about your design. Publish your project. Once everything is set, click Publish to make your project live. Your prototype will now be accessible to viewers, enhancing your portfolio's interactivity.